All right, what's up, guys? Episode 3, Christmas time, obviously. Fat Fab Christmas tree is up. We got a Whipple 4.5, we got some turbos, some Fat Fab parts. We got a Motec, coolant tank. That's coming out next month, next couple weeks. We got some Zone Rotor turbos, lightweight battery catch can combos. We got a row of lights out on our tree. Some pretty sweet antique ornaments. Some sweet trucks. We got this. That's a nice Ford. We got a Camaro, a sweet Camaro right there. Speaking of Camaros, I know last episode I may have dropped a little, hate on some Dodge stuff, but we do work on other cars, and I want to show you a couple other cars that we work on. We got a couple cool Camaros we've recently built, and we've got a Hellcat we're getting ready to start on. So follow me. We're going to check them out. This car's cool. It's a 2016 Camaro SS. I'm going to fire it up for you because I just love the way this car sounds. We did a heads package, Brian Tooley cam, Pro Charger kit. It's got a torque converter, fuel upgrades on it. It's got exhaust, stainless works exhaust, headers. This car made about $750. I love some pushrod power. Man, we were jamming out here too. So we got Joe's motor in. Johnny's getting it all set up, getting ready to put the turbos on it. This thing's coming along nice, going back to Fab here soon, getting some exhaust finished out on it. Let's go check out this Hellcat. Hey, you want a baseline Hellcat?
Sure.
Okay.
Do it.
Alright, this Hellcat is getting ready to get a full build. We're doing drop-in rods and pistons, cam upgrade, headers, Whipple 4.5, built T56 Magnum, or actually it's TR6060 in these. And then also it's getting the 9-inch rear end, the bolt-in 9-inch rear end. Shooting for like 1100 horsepower on this, but it's completely stock now. We're going to load it on the dyno and see how much power it makes. All right, guys, Christmas is over. Sadly, no more Santa hat. 2018 is almost over. We've got New Year's coming up. It's gonna be time to erase the Dino Leaderboard. So we're just gonna do a quick overview of where we're at. Callie's gonna supervise for us. Callie, you stay. So we got the top 3 spots are all 1200R GT350s. We got our man Tony Janko, #1. Start out of the year, I was #1 from January of 2018 with 1235. Since I've been knocked down to 4th spot. We've got an LS twin turbo car, another twin turbo mod car, Michael Cupp's the 10-man supercharged VMP car made over 1,000, and then we've got another 350R car, twin turbo, that's a single turbo Chevy truck that we tuned, and then another VMP Gen 3 car for #10 spot. So we're gonna erase this out. We're gonna be starting over for 2019. All right, guys, we have been waiting on this part for quite a while now. This part, this is a 3D printed part, is one of the main things that allows us to keep all of our intercooler piping completely up inside the chassis of the car, 0 ground clearance loss. Currently, we've been hand fabricating these, and we decided to take it a step further and have custom silicone made. Yeah, custom fab, yeah, I didn't like that. So, as you can see, it's a pretty custom formed piece of silicone merge that runs all through the chassis of the car so that we can continue to keep that piping tucked up like that. So, the box finally came, our custom pieces, we're gonna open them up.
We should plug our dudes.
Yep, Varus Engineering guys is giving us the design work. Oh yeah, there you go. They're stuck in the packaging.
You need hand models?
Yeah, hand models for sure. There's some tear up. That's much easier. So as you can see, it's basically exactly like
It's
the
pretty
prototype.
cool. Except for shinier. Squishier.
All right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pressure test this thing to make sure it's gonna hold the boost we want. So we're gonna do that so you guys can see how that goes.
Cool, let's go.
All right, so Jeremy made us some custom caps so we
Spent
can
a lot of time on them.
seal this dude off and get a bunch of pressure in there. What are we gonna test this to?
100.
20, 30 pounds? Something like that?
For a 2,000 package, so or at least like 60.
Yeah.
Oh god. This one fenced down his left. $30.
That's 30 pounds?
A little over 30 for this, I mean.
All right, as you can see, guys, it's pretty tight up in there. That's why we have this custom silicone merge made. But it does fit really, really nice and allows us to run all that piping up through there. Here we are with Timmy and the Hellcat. Little update, the motor is out on a stand. We got the cylinder head, subframe, transmission's off. Timmy is getting ready to start tear down on the block and putting in the new drop-in rods and piston set. So this thing's coming along nice. What do you think, Tim? Everything going good?
Oh yeah.
All right. Don't do that, Timmy.
Don't do that, Tim. What's the other one? Is that Mike's car? Whose car is this? Oh man, look at this.
that's Mike's car, right? And it is that's Aaron's car over there. And Mike's car.
Mike and Aaron, Jeff Bush.
And then Aaron's car on that one.
Yep.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah, Aaron's on that too.
Yep.
Force Performance getting her done. Yeah, we finally finished the dyno tune on Tony's car. You saw the dyno list earlier. Number 98's back to number 1 for 2018. Got his record set and dyno chart there, 1348. Keep your eyes out for a dyno video of that coming soon. So that concludes episode 3 of the Jam Factory. Don't forget to like and subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Facebook, and we'll see you next time.